up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing just a small channel update. And while it's cold outside, we can't really do anything. Went down to Harbor Freight, got this toolbox. It's the US General Series 3. We're going to do an unboxing on it today, kind of review some of the features of the box and look around at it. I got the white and black, of course, so I matched my car. And as most of you guys know, if you've seen the channel, car's white and black. So I got the bottom part here is the 56-inch, and then I also have the 56-inch hutch that goes on top of it. I just kind of wanted to put together a box just to have tools to do my cars with and do my videos with, have everything there that we need, be organized and stuff. Also, guys, we're going to go over in the video some more things that I got planned for the car to put on it. So with that being said, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, just make sure that you are subscribed. Turn your post notifications on. That way when those videos upload, then you'll get notified and you can tune in and watch those. Got some super cool stuff coming. Also too, guys, we got some new tools that we're going to throw in this box here today. We'll kind of go over those as we're unboxing it and reviewing the toolbox. So not going to be a super long video. It's kind of short, just going over the box and the things we're going to do to the car. We'll go ahead and unbox this, guys, and we'll get a closer up look at the US General Series 3 toolbox from Harbor Freight. Alright, guys, so we got the box off of it. Here is a closer look at the box. You can see it's white and black and matches my car. I think it looks really good. One thing I was going to mention here, so it comes on this pallet whenever you get it, and then if you open up the drawer, let's see, it's this one here. So it comes with this ramp here, and you put the ramp in the front of the pallet, and then you can just roll the toolbox off. That way you don't have to lift it off the pallet. But just want to show you guys that. And once we get off the pallet, I'll open up some more of the drawers and show you guys. It has like a power strip drawer where you can charge your batteries and stuff. And then we'll open up the top part and see what it looks like as well. Alright, guys, so we got this thing off the pallet. It wasn't too bad. You have to take these pieces of wood out. There's 3 pieces of wood you got to take off before you can roll it off. Got it off the pallet, and here's a look at the drawers. See, it's already got this like felt material in it. The drawer's pretty deep here. It'll be good for, you know, bigger tools like your power tools and stuff like that. Comes with a couple sets of keys. The only thing I don't like about this is these levers underneath of it. But it's on about every toolbox. You gotta slide them to the left to open the drawer. But I do like that on the Series 3 that they go all the way across. So you can grab it anywhere to do that. I think on the previous models, it was only like on each corner that you could grab it. So it's a little better, but still I don't care much for those. Good drawer for wrenches and things. Here's the power cable for the back. I'll show you where it plugs in. Another deep drawer down here on the bottom. Here is the handle. It goes on the side here, and then this drawer, you see it has the built-in surge protector, sorry, but it has USB-C, USB, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plug-ins. So that's a handy little drawer there, and then it all plugs in one location right here on the back. So you plug it in right here. There's the bottom part. We'll go ahead and unbox the top part, set it up here and see what it looks like, and then we'll go over what little bit of tools I got to put in it right now, and some things that is coming to the channel to do on the car. Alright guys, we got the hutch unboxed, and we're going to wait till my brother gets here and help me set it up on top of here. But we'll go ahead and install the handle while we're waiting on him. But just the 2 long bolts that's in the box is your handle, and you can put them on either side. They also make a side locker for this, and so if you plan on getting a side locker, then that may determine where you want to put your handle at. But just bolt the handle up. It's a Allen wrench. I do like the grip on these handles here. Seems like pretty good quality. But we will get the hutch set up on top of here, and then we'll take a look at it, and we'll go over the tools that we're going to put in it. Alright guys, so we got the top set up here, and I kind of wanted this hutch just for when I am working on my videos and stuff. I can set my laptop in here, and then also have a place to just store some things up top, and be able to close the lid down and lock it. And then I kind of had ideas on putting a Corvette logo right here, and then maybe when you open it up, maybe have another like LED Corvette sign or something. But I would like to also put the LED light bar in here. I know I've seen a couple mods about it on Facebook and stuff, but I would like to do that for sure, and maybe add a Corvette logo like I said. But that's the hutch here, and now that we got everything unboxed, we can add some new tools to it. And just like that, guys, I am sponsored by Milwaukee. No, I'm just kidding. I wish I was. But we got a bunch of Milwaukee tools, guys. Got new impact, new drill, grinder. Got to have a hacksaw in case we need to cut the Cadillac converters off of something. We for sure need that. Socket sets, impact sockets. We got the 12-volt ratchet and impact, a couple pick sets and stuff. I had to use them the other day. I had to replace a sensor on my truck. But I'll give you guys a closer up shot of this. I've just kind of been saving up and just buying stuff when it was on sale and stuff, guys. So a bunch of this came in the same set with the batteries, and I got this set for like 80 bucks the other day at Home Depot. So just catching things on sale, guys. And I got a bunch of more tools that we're going to put in the box, and I still have to go down to my building and get those. Alright guys, so now that we went over the tools that we got for the box, and here is a little preview of what's coming to the channel for the car. So we got some new tires in, and new tires means new rims. So the rims hasn't come in yet. I'll throw a little preview of the rims up here on the screen, let you see those. Also, I have a new steering wheel for the car. It hasn't came in yet, but it is a Alcantara steering wheel. Has an RPM gauge built into it. We'll be installing that later. I got floor mats to install. We're going to do the interior. We're going to dye the stitching red. So a bunch of stuff coming to the channel for the car. But just make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Turn your post notifications on. And we will catch you in the next one. Peace.